one-shot attempt there for Rain or Shine.
And the quick rush by Barangay. This is put himself in the air.
Another assist chalked up by Barangay Ginebra. Yung sinasabi natin kanina about magkakaalaman dito, it's not just in the assist department.
In the meanwhile, here's a momentary opening, but Belga, great drive by Bo.
And he'll be found. And that time the aggressive move on the part of Bo Belga and Greg Slaughter.
He'll fire a shot, I can tell, but this is up.
Yes!
Alexander!
Yan na, pinakita niya ang kanyang dunking prowess. And what a pass coming from Belga to find Alexander.
Chapman says, let's dance, Norbert.
Ginebra nagalaw with a slammer. Dalawang tinaanan niyo doon. But what a way to zigzag his way straight to the hole. Grabe.
Oh boy, our slow-mo man is already on it. I can tell.
Yeah.
Dalawa, tatlong slow-mo yan. In the meanwhile,
PBA games from the gap. Ito na.
And Slaughter connects at close range. 46-39 count. Lead pass. Here comes the attack. Numbers by Rainer Shine. The shot rolls in.
And ang Batak realizing wala pa sa depensa si Greg Slaughter.
Exactly.
They're gonna attack.
Set the three-point shootout. Belga joins the party. Drains in and shoots them.
That's 4 3-pointers now connected by Rainer Shine sa quarter na to.
And Belga adds side to the other. Here's a breakaway. Will he go all the way? Yes! What an offensive game for Norwood tonight.
He's got 9 points so far. And for Gabe Norwood, his conference high is 11.
Torres dancing in the air. Where is this play going? It will go! Let the son of a foul!
Here's Alexander doing what he does best. This guy is a master of improvisation, very athletic. LA, tapos nakatira.
You were saying?
Here's Alexander with an elevation. 44-inch vertical leap. That's what he brings to the game. The excitement of the dunking monster.
Thinking about it. He drives, he dances, he will miss the shot. The turnaround.
Offensive rebound galing kay Arthur de la Cruz. Now the crowd is alive.
Coming down to less than 8 seconds now. Into the wing we go. The open shot. Yes! Hey, Norwood! A spectacular game and 3 that ties it up anew.
Arthur de la Cruz has also played a key role here.
Eye on the sky! When you least expected, Brownlee and Thompson conniving.
That's an unbelievable execution.